Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can integrate our MongoDB API with UI. So we are going to create one project, one mini project where we will use insert, update, delete, put all these APIs in our project. So as we have already created books API project, and then we have to create books UI project. So here you can see we have books API project which we have created. Let's open it. So just we have to write cmd and then we can go code and then dot. It will open our project. This is books API which we already worked on. We have added here Swagger. This is get default method. Then here we have books API for get method which will fetch the data from books. So we have to always check that books API, this books collection, is we are able to find it or not. And then we can go and see the server. So here we can see that it is listening on port number 808, connecting MongoDB database at 27017 port. So let's start this API. We will go on terminal, click node and then mongodb.js. You can also write nodemon. Let's click enter. So now we are getting exception error that you can see failed to connect server at this. That means MongoDB server is not started yet. So in that case, what we will do, we can go on the command prompt and here we can simply write mongod. We have to write mongod, click enter. Now MongoDB is started. We don't need to close this window. Keep it open, go again in this terminal and then write node mongodb.js, this particular file. Now you can say connection successful. That means our project should be running on port number 8080. So let's go on the browser and try to write localhost 8080 and then we can write API docs. So basically, if you will go here, we have added Swagger. So Swagger running on the port number. So let's go here and we can see that Swagger is running on port number 8080 and can be accessible through API docs. So that's why we have written here API docs. Now we have all the, you can say, APIs listed here which we created. So let's click on first API to fetch all the records that is available in MongoDB. So now we can see we have these two records available, ID and then name, and then here we have ID and title. So these things are already available here. What we have to do is we can perform we can use these things from the front end. So let's say if I'll delete here, I'll try one. Let's delete number 1. Click execute. So it is executed, book is deleted. Now if I'll go here on first service, click here execute again and let's see. So now here we have only one record available. So these things we will do through React.js application. This is our target that we will do. We will perform these all 5 services: get by ID, put, delete and post in coming videos. Now let's also open MongoDB Compass where we can see actual database and actual data is storing there or not. Let's wait for a few seconds. Right, now you can see we have here recent changes, recent open URLs. We can click here, click connect. So if you will see in our code, we have connected database. Data result.db is my database. That means we have to go here on my database, and after that we are using collection.books. That means we have to go on books collection. In this collection we can see now we have only one record available. So whenever we will update, delete or modify anything, we can come back to this UI and we can see whether data is storing or not. So in the next video we will create React.js project and then we'll start working on that. Thank you.